Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is Roblox Voice Chat missing from your settings? Let's fix that in under a minute. First of all, make sure your Roblox account is verified and 13 years or older. Go to Settings from your dashboard, click More button from the left side bar, then click Settings. Now click on the Account Info tab. Now scroll down. Check your birthday. Next, verify your age with an official ID. Click Verify Age and follow the steps. Once verified, head to Settings, then Privacy, and look for Enable Voice Chat. Turn it on. Still not working? Check if Roblox has mic access. On Windows, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Microphone, and make sure Roblox is allowed. Restart Roblox or your PC after making changes. Also make sure your game supports voice chat, and that's it. Drop a like if this helped and comment if you need more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching.